Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I upload. This is probably one of the most TMI videos I have ever filmed, but if you're new around here, we get very TMI on my channel. I talk about my bald spots, my stretch marks, my cellulite. It's just us friends hanging out, right? Maybe not, whatever. So as you all know, I've been taking Halo Beauty. We're entering month 2 right now. If you haven't seen any of my Halo Beauty videos, I've been having you guys follow me along with the journey. There's a 3-week, 4-week, all those updates. I'll leave a link to the playlist down below. One side effect, I guess, that I completely forgot to mention, and I honestly think it's because I didn't notice it right away. My urine, my pee-pee, is hot orange. Not yellow, not a clear tint of yellow with what, like clear, it's just orange, like literally deeper than the color of an actual orange. TMI, I just wanted to tell you guys, I wondered if anyone else was having this symptom. And I talked to my doctor, and actually the reason for this is because it has vitamin B2, which is also known as riboflavin. I think I'm saying that right. Riboflavin. I'll put the name of it on the screen. And that is what causes the bright orange pee-pee. Is anybody else experiencing that? This is the most awkward video I've ever filmed, but I was just curious because I kept forgetting to tell you guys that, and it's like very, like a color I've never seen before. And a lot of people will just tell you, oh, you need to drink more water. Before I started, frame of reference for you friends, before I started taking Halo Beauty, I've always drank a lot of water, minimum 8 cups a day. Once I started taking Halo Beauty, I actually upped my water intake because of the biotin. So I started drinking like 10 to 14 cups of water a day minimum, and it's still bright orange. So I was just wondering if any of you have experienced that. Let me know in the comments down below. Sound off. Am I the only one that's like literally peeing out oranges? Like, it's TMI, but I'm just keeping it real, okay? That's what's going on. That's the symptom. And I just wondered if any of you were experiencing that. Other than that, I'm still loving Halo Beauty. Obviously, I love the hair benefits, love the skin benefits, love the nail benefits. Do not like the bright orange pee. All right, let's jump into some product reviews now that we're done talking about urine colors. First up, from Clarins, we have their Extra Firming Night Cream. This is a pricey bad boy. I love it. I put it on all over my face. It's firming. It's moisturizing. I feel like it's really diminishing the appearance of my fine lines. And a lot of you have told me in the comments that you really like it too. This is going to be repurchased, I think, like until something else takes its place. I love this stuff. Next up, from Estee Lauder, we have the Double Wear Foundation. Estee Lauder actually sent this to me, but I've been using this foundation for about 4 years now. No, has it been out for 4 years? Whenever this came out, I've been using it. I don't know when it came out. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I wear the shade Pecan, so if you're my skin tone and you're looking for your shade, this is the shade I wear. It's long wearing. This is a full coverage, thick foundation, but that's what I like. If you like full coverage, you will like this. I have had this on for 24 hours before, and it was still on my face. I know that's bad, but I'm just letting you know. Next up, from Estee Lauder, we have their Advanced Night Repair. Estee Lauder did send this to me. Let's see. I like to tell you guys what I purchased and what was sent to me. Estee Lauder sent me these two things. Actually, they're both Estee Lauder. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I love this stuff. So what I'll do is I actually put on the serum before the moisturizer, and it's just a little droplet. You need very little of it, and it goes a long way. I use this. My mom uses it. It's great for fine lines, for wrinkles, for hydration. It's amazing. And then I actually have the foundation on right now, so you can see how it applies. And then for lips, oh my gosh, this is new to me. You guys know I've recently discovered No. 7, and I've just become their biggest fan. This is the No. 7 High Shine Lip Gloss. What shade is this? I don't know what shade this is, but I'll leave a link to it down below. I think I ripped the packaging off. Oh, this one is called Sparkling Rose. So what I did is I put on this Milani lipstick in Rose Femme, and then I topped it with this High Shine lip gloss. It's moisturizing and glossy without being like goopy and sticky. I really like it. So that is it for me, friends. Sound off in the comments down below. If you're taking Halo Beauty, let me know if you're experiencing the orange pee-pee or not, or is that just me having that symptom. I haven't watched anyone else's review videos, so I don't know what anyone else is experiencing because I want to give you guys my unbiased thoughts and just take the pills and post my uploads. So let me know in the comments down below if any of you are experiencing that. That is it for me, friends. Oh, wait, I wanted to tell you about something else. Since we were talking about Clarins, I forgot to tell you guys, I used up the Clarins Bi-Phase Serum, and I love that serum when my skin is really dry. I showed this to you guys a year ago. I'll insert some footage of when I actually first unboxed it. It was when I did a live stream on my channel. I love that serum. I actually just got rid of it because I just finished it, but I just wanted to update you guys a year later. I love it. I really love Clarins skincare. So that is it for me, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Ciao.